Hi guys, this is Jaclyn Costanza from Keller Williams Ocean Point, and I'm here today with one of our in-house lenders. This is Chris Sanchez from Bond Street Mortgage. Chris, thank you so much for joining me today.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Okay, so I have some information that I want to share and just get out there for everyone. When I'm out talking to a lot of my clients, sometimes I feel like people may be a little bit misinformed. A lot of times my clients think that they have to put 20% down in order to get approved for a loan. Is that always the case?
No, absolutely not. You can get a home loan with as little as 3.5%, which is the FHA loan option.
Okay.
It is great for first-time home buyers, people that don't have that much money for the down payment. It's definitely a good start. The only downfall with FHA is that when you put down 3.5%, you're stuck paying mortgage insurance for the life of the loan.
Okay.
So the only way out of mortgage insurance essentially is to refinance out of it and then go into a conventional loan option. And usually you wouldn't refinance out of FHA until you know you have the equity in the house. So when you put down 3.5%, once you reach closer to 20%, you may want to reevaluate doing continuing to pay FHA because you're paying extra monthly fee of mortgage insurance, and the only way really technically to get out of that monthly payment is to go into a conventional loan by refinancing.
Okay, and so that's that the PMI is attached to that FHA loan, correct?
Correct. Yep.
Can you talk a little bit about exactly what the PMI is for maybe some people that may not understand it?
Yeah, so PMI protects the lender, it protects the bank in case you were to default on that mortgage and not pay it back. So usually the banks look at you as higher risk when you put down less than 20%.
Okay.
So if you have 20% of your own skin in the game, the bank is looking at you like, you're highly unlikely to default on your loan and not pay it back because who wants to lose 20% of their hard-earned money, right? That money is in that house, and you would go into foreclosure if you decided not to pay the mortgage back. So anytime less than 20% is put for the down payment, you're required to pay mortgage insurance, and that protects, again, the lender in case of default.
Right. Okay. Okay, so if FHA is maybe something that the client does not want to go with, is there another option that they can work with?
Sure. Yes. So there is. We have a conventional loan option that is as little as 3% down.
Wow. Okay.
You do have to qualify for it.
Okay.
It is a stricter requirement to get that type of loan. But if I can get you an FHA loan or that particular conventional loan option with 3% down, I would rather probably go with the conventional loan option for 3%. Not only because it's a lower down payment option, but once you reach 20% equity in the house, your PMI payments will automatically drop off.
Okay, great. So now I've also heard that there are some maybe options out there with maybe grants and things like that.
Yes.
Do you guys have anything? Do you offer anything like that?
Yeah, we do. So through the state of New Jersey, if you're looking to purchase in New Jersey, we can get you a $10,000 grant towards your down payment and closing costs.
$10,000, really? That's great.
Which is awesome. So
yeah.
The $10,000 grant is usually applied towards down payment, and whatever remains from that $10,000 grant would then be applied towards closing costs. And, it's just a great option for those that, usually a lot of people find themselves, that they have the down payment, but they don't have the closing costs or vice versa. So this usually is a great program to kind of fill in the gap.
Yeah, that's really a great option and very hopeful for some people out there. Wonderful.
Yes.
Okay, so basically just right there alone, we talked about three different options. We have the FHA, we have the 3% conventional, and then there are grants out there. So if you guys have any questions at all about mortgages, or if you have any questions about your home needs, please feel free to either call me or call Chris. We will leave our information at the bottom. And that's it. There are definitely options out there for you guys. So just pick up the phone and give either myself or Chris a call, and we'll help you out any way that we can.
Yes.
Chris, thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate it.
Anytime.
Okay, bye, guys. Have a great day.
Appreciate it.
All right, thanks.